Okay, with this video, I'm going to show you how you're going to lay out the preliminary construction lines for the line type exercise, okay? So let's get started with that. Let me share my screen with you. All right, your initial task is to come over here. Let me move this out of the way. There we go. Okay, come over here. And assignment number 1, line types and scales. I want you to scroll down here, and I want you to actually print this PDF. Print the line type PDF, and while you're at it, you might as well go ahead and print also the scale exercise PDF as well as the marble floor PDF. Print, that is, all 3 of those, okay? Okay, see if I can bring this up a little bit higher. There we go. A little bit higher. Let me get some height in here. Yeah, that works. Okay, and I'm going to turn it. Okay, let me get this straight. So there we go. I'm just adjusting this camera here so I can get the best shot here. Okay, bring this up. Good. All right. So this is what I want. This is the line type of PDF printed out. Printed, okay? Good. You're gonna need this. All righty. I'm gonna bring this down a little bit. Let's take it back a little bit. Yep. Just a little bit more. Okay. Good. And let's get it more. Let's get it level so we can see it better. There we go. That's good. That's good. All right. So here's what we're going to do. Okay. We are going to now draw all of these lines here. Okay. All of these lines here with continuous construction lines. Okay. Now, how we're going to place those construction lines between here and here, which is the boundaries for the line type exercise, is what we're going to do. Using our full-size scale, okay, so you can see it. Good. Right. So now, what I'm going to do, I want to locate this first borderline here, but I'm not going to draw it as a stick line. I'm going to draw it as a continuous construction line. Okay. So it measures a 1/2 inch from the edge of the paper. All right. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay. I'll come over here. And in fact, the line is already there. It's already there, 1/2 inch away. Here's the edge of the paper. This line is 1/2 inch away. So all I have to do now, since it's already there, is just continue it over. Okay. I'm just going to bring my straight edge up and continue it over. Good. Okay, so that represents my construction borderline, right there. Okay, good. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to scale the distance from the borderline from the borderline. Oh, there we go. You can see it. Yeah, from the borderline to the object line. Okay, that scales to be 3/4 of an inch. So I have that dimension. 3/4 of an inch. So we come over here. You can see it. Yeah. So I'm going to put my 0 at the borderline and measure 1, 2, 3. That's 3. 1, 2, 3. That's 3/4. Okay. Reference mark. Bring my straight edge up. T-square up. And Draw it as a continuous construction line. So you see, I'm not drawing any final line weights. I'm just doing construction lines. And this is how we're going to do all the exercises. We're going to lay everything out first using construction lines. Okay. So now I'm going to come back over here. Okay. I'm going to scale the distance between that full size scale. Full size scale. Okay, full size scale. I'm going to scale the distance from the object line to this first hidden line here. Okay, and that scales to be also 3/4 of an inch. All right, so I'm come over here. Okay, 0 there. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Reference point. Bring the line up. Bring the t-square up, that is. Good. All right. Now, let's go back to my printout here. Now, so now I'm going to scale the distance from this first hidden line to the second hidden line into the third one. So the measurement from you can see that the measurement from the first hidden line to the second hidden line is 1/8 of an inch. And the measurement from the second hidden line to the third hidden line is also 1/8 of an inch. So I can do both of those reference points at one time. So my t-square is kind of in the way. Yeah, let me move this up a little bit. So come over here. Okay, here's my first hidden line. Good. And then my second one is 1/8, and then my third one is 1/8. Might as well do both of them at the same time. Cool. All right, so then I'm bringing a little t-square up. Good. Good. T-square up. Good. So again, you notice how I'm ignoring the actual. I'm ignoring the actual line type. I'm just doing them as continuous construction lines. And that's what you're going to do all the way down, okay? You're going to measure, you're going to scale, and then transfer, okay? Scale, and then transfer, all right? So that's how you're going to start the line type exercise, all right? Thank you.